Hi, day 23 on how to fix mental health in 30 days. My name is Michelle Quick and I'm a mental health coach. I'm the owner of liveglad.dk and manifestingnow.com. Dance it out. Dance and move your body and listen to your favorite tune. Actually, dancing reduces the levels of cortisol and enhances the levels of endorphins. Yeah. Sometimes it works, but I always post it. This is me keeping it real, right? So today, the idea could be you dancing, and moving your body and just listening to your favorite tune going all around and maybe doing this. No, I don't know. It doesn't have to look nice. You just need to do the dance and it will elevate your mood instantly. So, dance it out is the idea for today. Take care, stay safe.